Webflow versus Elementor. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're comparing two powerful web design tools, Webflow and Elementor. Whether you're a designer, developer, or entrepreneur, this guide will help you decide which platform is the best fit for your building your next website. Let's dive in. First, we have here the Webflow, which is best for no-code website building and development. Visual web development lets you design and build responsive websites visually without writing code. Second is CMS functionality. Manage dynamic content seamlessly with built-in CMS tools. Third, the hosting included. Offers reliable, scalable hosting with built-in SEO features. Fourth is the custom code integration. Add custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for extra flexibility. But it has two cons. First is the steeper learning curve. Second is the premium pricing. But it is best for designers and business looking for all-in-one platform to design, build, and publish websites without needing developers. And now let's dive into Elementor. It is best for WordPress users and plugin flexibility. It has a 4 pros and 2 cons. First is drag-and-drop simplicity, a powerful visual page builder plugin for WordPress that makes design easy for beginners and pros alike. Second, pre-built templates. Access hundreds of customizable templates for quick setup. Third, extensive WordPress integration. Works seamlessly with thousands of WordPress plugins for added functionality. 4 is affordable. Elementor Pro offers powerful features and has much low cost compared to Webflow's premium plans. 2 cons. Dependent on WordPress. Requires a WordPress installation, meaning you'll need a hosting security and maintenance setup separately. 2. Performance issues. Can slow down your site if not optimized properly, especially with too many plugins. It is best for WordPress users, small businesses, and freelancers who want a flexible and affordable website builder with access to the vast WordPress ecosystem. And now, choose Webflow if you need full control over the website's design, building and hosting advanced CMS and scalability, perfect for professionals who want a no-code solution with custom development power. On the other hand, choose Elementor if you're already using WordPress or want an affordable, beginner-friendly builder with an access to WordPress' massive library of plugins and themes. Now, which tool do you think suits your next web project best, Webflow or Elementor? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I hope this comparison between Webflow and Elementor helped you choose the right platform for your needs. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more web design tips and tech comparison. See you into the next video.